小朋友，你是否有很多问号？为什么？今天在我看漫画，我却在学我。
Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you guys how you can customize your home screen on your iPad as well as your iPhone from something this dull and boring to something more like this. Check how beautiful this is, guys. This is just so pretty. It screams, I don't know, I just get good vibes from these home screens, and you can also do that on your phone. So I'll show you guys that today. The first thing that you need to do, of course, is update your phone to iOS 14, and then from then onwards you can go on Pinterest and look for inspirational customization home screens. And yeah, let's just get started. So I went on Pinterest and I looked for like some graphics, logos, pictures, Instagram highlights, whatever you want to call it. I just looked for some inspiration because the first thing you want is to have a color scheme. Once you have a color scheme, you'll know what you're working with, you'll know what you're going for, and that is exactly what I did. So my color scheme is something to do with some boohoo, bohemian style, minimal, black girl, Black Lives Matter, just something inspirational, brown, nudes, and pastels. I was also looking for like some fall themes as well, because I want something to do with fall. Fall is my favorite season, autumn is my favorite season, I love it. So I did that as well, and I can always switch up from time to time. So the first thing you want to do is just remove everything from your home screen. So what you'll do is long press on your home screen, and then you'll see all your apps kind of like wiggling and jangling around. So what you'll do is, instead of deleting them, rather move them to your app library. In that way, you kind of like decluttering your home screen, and then you'll have minimal apps to work with, so that it also kind of makes it easier. So right after that, you'll just go ahead and go to your settings and change your wallpaper. I find it a bit easier to work with. I find it a bit easier to work on when my wallpaper is already there, so that I know what colors goes well with my wallpaper. So I had this collage mixture of all my pictures, some of my pictures with some minimal pictures as well, and honestly, I thought this would work, but you guys, I switched it up later on. You guys will see that, so don't mind what I'm doing here. Let's just focus on what you meant to do. So yes, that was changing your wallpaper. So let's just start with the fall theme. So I'm going to change my wallpaper to something fallish, because you guys, my head, I was just confused on what I had to do, but I switched up a lot of wallpapers as time went by to something that I really liked, and it's okay to do that. So after changing your wallpaper, you'd kind of sort of want to have a format of what your home screen should look like. So I had two examples. I made two examples on my notepad of what I wanted my formats to look like, where this should go where and where that should go here, if that makes sense. So if you guys want, you can take a screenshot of this. It doesn't look pretty at all, but then this kind of gave me an idea, and it was just like a draft plan, and it gave me an idea of where I want to put every single thing. Right after that, you'd want to start creating your app icons, and you do that by making sure that your ratio is the right size. I use an app called PhotoGrid, and the right ratio is a ratio of 1:1 or 1:1. I don't know how you describe that. So yeah, I just took my pictures knowing what icons should be for what, and I just changed all the ratios to a 1:1 or 1:1 ratio. And yeah, this is what I did with basically all the pictures that I wanted to be my app pictures or the face of my app. So right after that, what you're gonna do is go ahead and download Widgetsmith on your app store. It has a small widget, medium widget, and large widget. This is what it looks like. For my calendar, I wanted to have a medium-sized widget, and I kind of like how it looks like on the whole home screen. You guys will see how it looks like. So yeah, this is what you're gonna do. It has a lot of options that you can choose from. You can change the fonts, the color, the background color, as well as the border color. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I sort of like went in for the browns, the nudes, as well as like the orangey side for my fall theme. So yeah, after creating and saving your widgets, what you're gonna do is go back to your home screen and just long press on your home screen, and on the top right corner you'll see a plus sign. Press on that and look for Widgetsmith and add your medium widget or whatever widget that you worked on. In my case, it's the medium widget. I'm just going to press on add widget and it will automatically put it on your screen. So you'll just go ahead and add all your widgets. I have 2 small widgets and 1 medium one, and that's what I'm gonna work with. So remember those photo icons that we created earlier on with the 1:1 ratio? This is where it's important. Right after this step, you want to start adding your shortcuts. You want to create your shortcuts. So search for shortcuts in your your search bar, and then create a new one. So open shortcuts. There's a plus sign at the top right corner there. You open the plus sign, and then you press on add action. From add action, you press on scripting, and from scripting, you're going to press on open app. Now you're going to choose what app you want to be opened. So let's say perhaps you're choosing WeChat or whatsoever. In this case, let's go with WhatsApp. So you're gonna go on WhatsApp, and then you press next, and then just change the shortcut name to WhatsApp. And that is done. I'm going to repeat the step again just so that you guys will understand. So you're going to press on the little plus sign, which is on the top right corner there, and then you're going to press on add action. From add action, you'll click on scripting. You're going to click on open app. From open app, you're going to choose what app you want to be opened or what app you want to put on your home screen. And in this case, let's just go with something like WeChat. So you can search for WeChat, and then you just click on WeChat and click on next, and then you click on done, and that is basically it. Don't forget to rename your app to its actual name. So if you want to put a picture or to customize the icon of your app, you're just basically going to go to shortcuts again and click on the app, the shortcuts that we created, and click on the 3 dots on your top right corner. After you've clicked on the 3 dots, add to home screen. Click on add to home screen. And then basically you're going to have your WeChat icon right there. You just click on that and then click on choose photo. From here onwards, you're going to choose your photo or change your photo or customize your photo like you want to. And then you click on add, and then you click on done, and that is it. It may really seem complicated, guys, but then if you do it 2 times, you'll get used to it and it will go faster. So now your little icons and apps have been added to your home screen. So you're just gonna click hard on your home screen and place it wherever you want to. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and create my small widget. It's the same way that you created your big one, but then this time instead of a calendar, we're going to insert a picture. So you're gonna go on small widgets and then go all the way down to where it says custom and click on photo. After clicking on photo, you choose your picture and then you just click on add, just click on photo again, and then you can just always go back and just save it. You have to make sure that you save it, because if you don't save it, it's not gonna pop up in your home screen. So back again to your home screen, hard click on your home screen and then add widgets, the top right corner, and you add your small widget. Don't forget, this time it's not the medium one, it's the small one. You press on add widget. Now you guys will notice that your picture doesn't come immediately, so you need to click on that particular widget and click on edit widget. Once you edit it, you need to be precise on if it was the first or the second or the third, however widget, how many widgets, depends on how many widgets you have. And yeah, that is just about it. So right now I'm just gonna carry on doing adding icons or adding shortcuts to my apps and then customizing it with pictures, and that is just about it. So honestly guys, this is just about it. Once I finished doing all the icons for my apps and the apps that I wanted in my home screen, I just started playing around and like making sure everything was in place or in order, change whatever I wanted if I wanted to change it. I felt like the second widget, the small one, was really dark, so I switched it up and changed it to something a bit lighter because my wallpaper was already dark, so I didn't want to make it too dark. So yeah, I know that I changed a lot of things, but then I'll show you guys the end result and what I opted for towards the end. Like I said earlier on, this is just the fall or autumn theme. Right now my app is not customized to the fall theme because honestly it's not yet fully fall, so I'm just kind of waiting for like fall to kick in. So right now my app is customized to this beautiful boohoo minimal, a little bit minimal black girl magic, Black Lives Matter theme, and honestly I'm really loving it. This is how it looks like. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section down below, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Let me see how you customize your home screen and how you change things around. I would really love to see how you guys played around with your home screen, and also it would help me draw some inspiration for my next one. So yeah, this was just it regarding this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like, to comment, and so see you guys in my next video. Bye.